Ever wondered how old electrical wires can be transformed into valuable reusable materials? A wire stripping machine makes the process faster, easier, and more efficient by removing insulation from wires with precision. From recycling centers to industrial workshops, these machines help save time, reduce manual effort, and recover clean copper and other metals. In this video, we'll explore how a wire stripping machine works, its key features, and why it has become an essential tool for wire recycling. Let's get started. Number 5. Adjustable Cable Cutting and Peeling Machine 110V/220V. Description: Improve wire processing efficiency with the SWT508 series automatic wire stripping machine, designed for precise cutting and stripping of electrical cables ranging from 0.1-8.0 mm superscript 2. Featuring automatic adjustment and easy operation, this machine helps remove insulation quickly and accurately while reducing manual labor. Suitable for electrical workshops, cable recycling, manufacturing facilities, and repair centers. Key features: automatic wire stripping and cutting function. Adjustable stripping range, 0.1-8.0 mm superscript 2. Available models: SWT508C, SWT508SD, SWT508E. Compatible with 110V and 220V power supply. Number 4. Double Short Wire Peeling Stripper 0.1-6 mm superscript 2 WG10 WG28 110V/220V. Description: Enhance wire processing efficiency with the SWT608 SDB automatic wire stripping machine, designed for precise stripping and cutting of short wires. With a processing range of 0.1-6 mm superscript 2 WG10 WG28, this machine delivers fast and accurate cable peeling while reducing manual effort. Featuring a double short wire cutting and stripping function, the SWT608 SDB is ideal for electrical workshops. Key features: automatic wire stripping and cutting machine, double short wire cutting and peeling function, stripping range 0.1-6 mm superscript 2 WG10 WG28. Updated model SWT608 SDB. Number 3. Computer Automatic Wire Stripping Machine for PVC Silicone Teflon Shielded Wire. Description: Improve wire processing efficiency with this computer automatic wire stripping machine, designed for precise cutting and stripping of various cable types including PVC, silicone, Teflon, braided, high temperature, and shielded wires. With a processing range of 0.1-4 mm superscript 2, this machine delivers accurate wire preparation for professional electrical and manufacturing applications. Equipped with a digital control system, the machine allows adjustable cutting lengths from 0.01 mm to 99999 mm. Key features: computer-controlled automatic wire stripping and cutting. Suitable for PVC, silicone, Teflon, braided, high temperature, and shielded wires. Processing wire size: 0.1-4 mm superscript 2. Adjustable cutting length: 0.01 to 99,999 mm. Number 2. Cable Cutting, Crimping and Peeling Machine 0.1-10 mm superscript 2 SWT508J series. Description: Boost cable processing efficiency with the SWT508 series computer automatic wire stripping machine, designed for accurate wire cutting, stripping, and crimping operations. Supporting wire sizes from 0.1-10 mm superscript 2, this machine provides reliable performance for a wide range of electrical cables and production requirements. Equipped with an intelligent computer control system, the SWT508 series allows precise adjustment of processing parameters for consistent results. Key features: computer-controlled automatic wire processing system. Functions: wire cutting, stripping, peeling, and crimping. Processing range: 0.1-10 mm superscript 2. Available models: SWT508C, SWT508E, SWT508J. Number 1. SWT508C Computer Automatic Wire Stripping Machine. Description: Increase wire processing efficiency with the SWT508C computer automatic wire stripping machine, designed for precise cable cutting, stripping, peeling, and crimping operations. Supporting wire sizes from 0.1-8.0 mm superscript 2, this machine provides accurate and consistent performance for electrical manufacturing, cable assembly, and workshop applications. Featuring an intelligent computer control system, the SWT508C allows easy adjustment of processing parameters. Key features: computer-controlled automatic wire processing system. Functions: cutting, stripping, peeling, and crimping. Wire processing range, 0.1-8.0 mm superscript 2. Adjustable cutting length, 1 to 9,999 millimeters. Precise stripping and cutting performance.